Now, great afternoon student. I am Pooja, your maths educator, and in today's class we learn 5th class maths, chapter number 3, large number, exercise number 3, question number 2. In our previous video, we learned our question number 1, and in question number 2, it is given that write the following number in words. In figures, you have to given this number and you have to write it into words. So first of all, we see that our number is 74,10,507. So first of all, we write here the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now we start to write in words. Then it becomes 74, two-digit number, and it belongs to the period of lakhs. So we write here 74 lakh. 74 lakh. 10,000. 10,000. 500. 500. Now our next part is 2 crore 41 lakh 5,063. Now again we write the places here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now we see that in crore period we have a single digit number and that is 2. So we write 2 crore. 2 crore. This 41 belongs to the lakhs period. So we write 41 lakh. 41 lakh. 5,000. 63. Now this is our answer. Now in question number 3, write the following number in figures. You have to given these numbers and you have to convert it into figure. This is the opposite of the question number 2. In question number 2, you have to given the figures, you have to convert it into words. But in question number 3, you have to given in words and you have to convert it into figures. So now we see the statement 92 lakh 5,050. Here you see that our places go up to the place of lakh. And in lakh, the number is a 92. It is a two-digit number. It means that we have to write the places lakhs and 10 lakhs. So we start to write here the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and then 10 lakh. Now this is a 92 lakh. So we write here 92 lakh 5,000. Here 5 is a single digit number. So you have to write it under the place of 1,000. So under the place of 1,000 you write 5 here. Now the next number is a 50. 50 is a two-digit number and you write a two-digit number under the places of tens and ones. So you write it here. Now you see that your 10,000 and your 100 period is a blank. So we have to put 0 to fill the places and now our number becomes 92 lakh 5,050. Is this clear? Now we start to our next part. Next question is 9 crore 19 lakh 9,990. Now here we see that our places go up to the place of crore. So we have to write the places. First we write the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and then crore. And in crore, here we have the number 9 and it is is a single digit number, so we write here 9 crore. Now again the next place is the lakh, and it is a 2-digit number, because 19 is a 2-digit number, so we have to write it under the places of lakh. So we write here 90. Now we go forward, and here we see that it is the place of 1000, and this number is a 9. And 9 is a single digit number, so we have to write under the 1000 place 9. Now the next number is 9, it is under the place of 100, and next number is a 90. 90 is a 2-digit number, so we write like this. Clear this one? Now our one place is a blank, and this place is a 10,000. So to fill this place, we have to put here 0. Clear? Now rest of the part of this question you have to do like this. Now let us start our question number 4, and in this question you have to find the place value of each digit in this number. First of all, you have to know what is the place value. Place value, that is equal to face value multiplied by place. जब फेस वैल्यू प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई होता है, देन इट बिकम्स द प्लेस वैल्यू. नाउ आवर फर्स्ट नंबर इज 64 crore 19,70,528. First of all, we write the places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then 10 crore. First place, ones place is multiplied by 1, so it becomes 8. Now 2 is at 10 place, so it is multiplied by 10 and it becomes 20. And now 5 is at 100 place, so it is multiplied by 100 and it becomes 500. Now we see that 0 is at the 1000 place, and when any number is multiplied by 0, then it becomes 0. Now the next number is 7 at 10,000 place, so it is multiplied by 10,000 and now it becomes 70,000. Now you see that your next number 9 is at the place of lakh, so you have to multiply it by lakh and it becomes 9 lakh. Now the next number is a 1 and it is at the place of 10 lakh and it is multiplied by 10 lakh, then it becomes 10 lakh. Now our next number is 4 and it is at the place of crore, so its place value becomes 4 crore. Now our next number, last number is 6 and it is at the place of 10 crore, then it becomes 60 crore. Now these are the place value of each digits, and I hope that you understand this concept, that how you find the place value of each digits. Now we do other question in our next part of this video, so we stop our video here. Okay, bye everyone.